Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Way of Cooking Healthy and Tasty. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe of the delicious Palak mushroom curry, which is packed with protein, vitamins, minerals and iron. So let's get started making it in my way. So for this recipe, the main two ingredients are the palak or the spinach and the mushrooms. So here I have washed the spinach properly, and although I generally use the organic mushrooms, what I do is I just blanch them in warm salty water just for few seconds, not more than that. And with the spinach here, I am going to use a few leaves of mint, as the mint goes very well with the mushrooms. But compared to the spinach here, the quantity of the mint leaves will be very few, as it has a strong flavor. So here with 350 to 400 grams of spinach, I am going to use 14 to 15 leaves of mint, not more than that. And now to make the spinach paste, over here I am using a cooker. You can also blanch the spinach, but then you have to strain off the water, and the problem is with the water it will take away all the nutrients of the spinach, which I don't like, so I prefer to use a cooker and boil it with other ingredients like a small chopped tomato, a few chopped garlic and the mint leaves. With some little salt, and now I'm going to cover the lid and just cook it for 2 whistles maximum, and let the lid come out itself. And I'm not going to use any extra water in the spinach over here, you see, because you all know that the spinach itself releases water, so you don't need to use any extra water on it. Now heat some oil on the pan, and first of all put some cumin seeds or jeera. Let this splatter, and now I'm using the chopped ginger garlic. You can also use paste. And at the same time, here I am using a little bit of coriander powder, cumin powder and a little amchur powder or dry mango powder. Mix it with the oil itself. And now with the cumin seeds and ginger garlic. Now I have added chopped onions and mixed it with the spices, and meanwhile just use the whole garam masalas, like 1 bay leaf, small stick of cinnamon, 2 pieces of cardamom and 2 pieces of clove. Stir it a bit. And a small red chili just to get its flavor. Sprinkle a little turmeric. My onions are almost cooked. Now see, my spinach or the palak is also cooked with the tomatoes, garlic and mint leaves in it. My onions are cooked properly. See, it has taken a little reddish in color. Now I am going to add on my mushrooms. Mix it well with the spices. Now just sprinkle a little salt on top of it. Mix it well and then you have to cook it for some times. So for cooking the mushroom properly with the spices well, here I am using a lid. Just cover it for few minutes so that the mushroom can get the full flavor of the spices. And meanwhile we will grind the spinach to a paste. See, whatever water the spinach released, you don't have to strain it off. Just use it in the mixture. Now see, my mixture is ready, the spinach mixture. And over here the mushroom is also now properly cooked with the spices. You can get the flavor of the masala. So now it's time to use the spinach mixture and just now cook it in medium flame. And now while cooking the spinach, here I'll use a little bit of Ajwain seeds and Garam Masala. Little salt. Mix it well. And just cover it with a lid again to be cooked properly. Now see, here my spinach is cooked properly with the mushroom and other spices. I can get the flavor out of it, and I have already switched off the flame. And now at the end I am going to use plain yogurt. You can also use cream, but yogurt is, as you know, um, a healthier option. So just mix it well now with the spinach. It's almost done, and now finally I'm going to use a little bit of salt and pinch of sugar. And it's all done now. I hope you like my recipes. If you do, please hit the like option, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel for more healthy and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. If you like my recipes, then please hit the like option, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel for more healthy and tasty recipes like this one. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.